So here we have the Mini hatchback on an 09 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 3-door car with black roof and black mirror caps to match. We're going to start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see that given the fact that it's a Mini, we have plenty of boot space along with that 50-50 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter, as you can see. Below that, we've got some trip computer information. You can change information displayed in that section using a button on the end of the indicator stalk. And if you leave it on the digital readout for the speedometer, you'll see that that will transfer into that space above. We've also got the total miles for the car shown there. They are 53,236. Over in the centre, we have the main speedometer for the car as well as the fuel gauge. And then if we move in a little bit closer, you'll be able to see that we've got our audio options. So AM, FM radio, CD player, USB input and auxiliary input as well. If we go to the menu button, from on here, you'll be able to pair your phone. We can also access our onboard computer, configure things like time, date, etc. And we have a useful section there with Mini customer services phone number. Below that section, we have the CD player, the main volume for the stereo just here, and then our climate control. So you can make adjustments to the temperature in the car, the direction the air is being distributed in. You can increase and decrease the fan speed as well. At the moment, the air conditioning is turned off. This button will turn it back on again. Or hit auto. The car will now maintain this temperature by taking control of the fan speed, which you can hear it doing, and the direction of the air. Any manual adjustment will take auto off again and allow you to put it back on your own settings here. We can use the heated rear screen. This button will divert the car's air conditioning to the front screen, and again it will turn the fan speed up to full. You can override that should you wish to. Below that we have driver's side and passenger side electric windows, rear and front fog lights, deadlock so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. We have 2 cup holders, cigarette lighter which can be used of course as a 12-volt charging socket as well, and then our 6-speed manual gearbox. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork that we hold for the car. So starting over on the right hand side is the V5 registration document, of course. We then have the MOT certificate. The MOT expires on the 13th of February next year. And then over here a pile of service receipts as well as the 2 keys for the car. It's also worth pointing out that if this vehicle requires a service or MOT within the 6-month period at the point at which we sell it, we will do that for you as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Watson Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.